park that I loved so much this weekend on weekdays gets filled with parking for private schools in this neighborhood. Kendall Indian Hammocks Park is full of annoying teenagers yelling at each other from their cars that their parents bought for them. Trouble in homeless paradise. Oh, well, I'm finally hanging out in a van. As usual, I'm not really gonna fall back asleep once it's daylight out. Daylight is too precious. But I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. And you know what else I'm gonna do? It's big news for me. I'm gonna give up on this hammock. Oh, it makes me sad. But I'll show you why. Let me show you why. First of all, I have been sleeping on a Pilates mat on the floor for the past several days. Part of it's because I like the privacy of being on the floor and I like the headspace. Last night I realized I don't want to deal with this. Don't get me wrong, I have loved hanging in this in the car. And I still think that sleeping in a hammock is the most comfortable way for me to sleep. I think that's why I'm so sad about it. But I think I want to end up taking it down because it doesn't work with the car. It's doing a little bit of damage to it already. And I've only hung in it for a few nights. Let me show you some of the damage that I've noticed. It was tied up here. And check out the damage here. That's after just a week. It's got discoloration here. The weather stripping's pulled down. And what's worse, there is a tear. Actually, it looks like that might not be a tear. It might be factory, but like, why would there be a hole in this? Aha, there's one. And the real damage is up at the front. All right, so here's this setup. How am I gonna get this? This little piece that covers the screw, the housing, I guess, has fallen off. I have it in the glove compartment so I can replace it, but there's no point in replacing it because this keeps pulling it down. There's some tears in the leather, and you can just tell it's wearing it out. It's pulling it down. It worked, but it's but it's definitely not a long-term solution, so. There we go. So I'm walking over to a picnic table to cook myself breakfast, and I saw some stuff on a picnic table. And I was like, oh no, is somebody set up camp there? And the answer is yes. Here's my neighbors for the day. Hey, buddies. Hello, beauties. Are you coming to me? Oh, don't come to me. Oh my goodness, putting on a show, huh? Oh, you're very friendly. I was not expecting this. Oh my goodness, here comes Orangey. Are you squeaking at me? Are you Oh, somebody put their butt on my foot. Hello, little ones. Are you guys a family? Oh, here comes the last one, the black one. The good luck charm. Hello, little family for the day. Are we gonna hang out? I'm here setting up my tripod and I've got an audience. A dude just came, oh, there's another cat. A dude just came by and asked if I was setting up a party, which I guess it looks like I am, but I'm not. I told him it was just me. Also, 2 more cats showed up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cats. Well, I can't say the single serving of Spam is beautiful, but I do know it's going to be delicious. Spam and egg. I'm in Miami, but I'm eating like I'm in Hawaii. Pretty happy with my setup, though. I've got the tablecloth on one side where I'm going to eat, which is really nice. And then this cooking side that's more outside. If I get a regular camp stove, I think I'll look even less weird. I know this is weird, but also this is who I am. The cats are all surrounding me. If these were Florida Panthers, I have a feeling they would have taken me down by now. Oh, minding your own business now, huh? Minding your own business now? Don't you get on my spam. That's what you ain't gonna do, little Florida Panther. Yeah, that's what I thought. I just thought I was recording the whole time. The teacher, they're on a nature walk, and the teacher has to keep reminding them to be quiet so that they can run into any animals. I want to lick this plate. Who's meowing? Yeah, I think the tablecloth, the camp stove, the apron, and the camera, and just the brazenness of it all reassures people that what I'm doing is normal. Well, it's not normal, but it could be normal. It's confidence. Well, it's courage. Because it's kind of hard to do. Guess who's getting a paper full of melted butter? I think 7 happy souls. Finally, someone else noticed. Well, I'm fed for a while. With my paper towel roll. Bye, girl. Bye, little orange face. You're my favorite. Oh, there I am. But this was a nice place to spend the morning, recuperating. This is working out pretty well to keep my frying pan and stove, and then my cooler in here, covered by my Florida snowbird towel. Should I show that to you? I'm going to show that to you again. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Maybe I'll greet Ryan at the airport with this. A whole milk crate just for taking out my kitchen. Yesterday I was in the Everglades on an airboat tour in the River of Grass. Today I'm at Miami International Airport in the River of Cars.
I don't know about this angle.
I brought this towel for you.
Oh, nice.